Subscribe to Movie Learnings and click on the bell icon to get notification on all new travel videos. Gujarat is a haven of historical wonders, marvelous landscapes and a colorful culture, which proffer an astounding variety of options for tourists to explore its varied aspects. This magical land has received a lot of attention from various corners in the last few months after the unveiling of the iconic Statue of Unity, the tallest statue in the world, which is attracting both domestic and international tourists to this state like never before. So let's explore. 1. Sardar Sarovar Dam. It's an interesting option for visitors who wish to tour the Statue of Unity. The dam is located in Narmada River and is surrounded by a vast expanse of mountains and forests which would behold the gaze of visitors with their pristine gorgeousness. The dam is located at a distance of 4 kilometers from the Statue of Unity. The site of the dam offers a rare combination of blue waters of Narmada River with the greenery of mountains. Monsoons and winters are the best time to visit the dam to witness the greenery and tranquility of the place in its best state. The dam remains open for visitors from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. all days of the week. 2. Flower Valley. The valley was created to give a glimpse of the ecosphere of Narmada region. There are about hundreds of species of blooms and shrubs. Besides this, you also get to view several varieties of bamboo and grasses in the Flower Valley. The 17 km stretch of the flower garden is located on the bank of Narmada River and is 2.4 km away from the Statue of Unity. The valley also provides lots of options for trekkers in the upper reaches, which is a good way to gain an insight into the topography of the valley. Best time to visit the Flower Valley is in the months of July, August and September, as the flowers are in full bloom during this time. 3. Zarwani Waterfall. It's a bewitching spot located at just about 13 kilometers from the Statue of Unity that deserves every bit of the attention of the tourists. This waterfall lies in the heart of Shulpaneshwar Wildlife Sanctuary in Narmada. The place offers unending opportunities for travelers to enjoy the natural landscape surrounding the waterfall. The rich forest life at this site allows one to take pictures of different plants and birds abounding in this region. Winter season is the best time to grasp the real beauty of Zarwani Waterfall. 4. Sagai Malsamot Eco Campsite is yet another option to explore the breathtaking natural landscape surrounding the Statue of Unity. The site is located approximately 92 kilometers from Sardar Patel's statue and is replete with an amazing range of flora and fauna. The best thing about the site is that it lets you enjoy nature at its best, untouched by any modernization. The camp has an orientation center to acquaint the guests about the geography and important points of interest around the site. The camp is located few minutes away from Sardar Sarovar Dam, which makes it a preferred attraction near Sardar Patel statue. Tip 1. Timings: 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. from Tuesday to Sunday. Statue of Unity remains open on all the days except Mondays. So, plan your trip accordingly. Tip 2. At 1.5 times the length of the Sardar Sarovar Dam in its vicinity, the Statue of Unity will also offer a panoramic view of the Sardar Sarovar Dam and the 200 km long water reservoir beyond it, as well as the Satpura and Vindhyachal mountain ranges on the periphery from its visitor gallery. Looks like the 8th wonder of the world has arrived.
Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment this videos with your friends.